megalayapost.news.
Karilejong Farmers Produce Organization ringkat kajing tre langbat ke College of Agriculture kedam kulai hakas ngisajan kelapanlong ya ke program kerpang banajing hikai sya kinongrem halor ki kamrem ki baklam dapanun kam dawai baru bansa mi ki sembai bat ki tiarab sya kinongrem ya kani ke program lapanlong hapahambir haka balawan ban shimenta daudin ke College of Agriculture kedam kulai Dr. Ram Singh kum kongsan balasak hilang ru da kajing don lang ke kong Marian Maring Presiden ketiga seng nongrem upar latur Vice President ki scientist kirang ba nong bat kinong rap na kisnong bakantup na kisnong mauyong pahambir nongkra bat kiwi kisnong kibamarjan hagani kasngi ki scientist ne kiriusham phang halor ka rap karyang kila ay ka jingkran ban pensha sha kinong rap halor kibut mai ban rap ban riang ka bakum kinong rap kim don kam ban penon kam dawai bat ka sarkar ru ka penslur na ka banta ka koit ka khia jong ki pajba la jingkran ru hagani kasngi na du udin ka College of Agriculture Dr. Ram Singh kum kongsan bat ka kong Marian Maring kum ka president ka seng nong rap ha ka bakila pensha sha phang ka rukom rap ka baklam da penun kam dawai bat ka balapan keman ru ikinong rap hagani kasngi ka dege jingsam ya ki samba jingthung bat ki tiar rap shakinong rap ki bapan im ya ka yeng kasam tang da ki kam rap ki kam reang
hurt also. Okay, so nutritionally they are very rich millet, so that we should incorporate in a small initially we should include cultivation of millet along with the rice, some plot, and they should for the consumption purpose. Not initially we should not go for the commercialization. First we should we should get the benefit for our health only, and then we can go for the commercialization in the form of biscuit, millet biscuit. It is very costly. In the market is there. Flour, millet flour is there. Cry flour. So we are making the flour also. We are making different items from the different kind of millets. Okay. So in that situation, and this Rivoi district is suitable because it is a warmer than the other part of the Meghalaya. So this place is also suitable for the finger millet, foxtail millet. They are very suitable for this region.
Farm management. So basically this specialty called turn. It comes from the special character. Corn having some special character. It is different from the normal corn. In your field, the corn we are growing, it is normal field corn. Okay, but there are several other corns which is having some special characters, special trait. So that corns are called as specialty corn, like sweet corn. It is sweet in taste. That's why it is called as sweet corn. Likewise, there are several other specialty corn, baby corns, popcorns, and the quality protein maize. So these are some of the different types of specialty corn. Okay. Apart from this, the practices we are doing for growing this normal corn, we have some specific cultivation practices for this specialty corn, to grow this specialty corn. So we have to keep in mind what are those special practices. So today I will discuss this sweet corn, about sweet corn. What is the difference between normal means field corn and the sweet corn, and what practices we have to adopt to grow this sweet corn, and what is the major differences between them. And I will discuss the major differences which we have to take in our mind before cultivating this sweet corn. So as the name suggests, this sweet corn, it is sweet in taste. That's why its name sweet corn. It's having higher sucrose content. That sucrose, it's giving it sweetness. Okay, due to presence of that sucrose, it is sweet in taste. In normal corn, the sucrose content is about 2 to 3%, but in this sweet corn, the sucrose content is about 10 to 12%.
Hakani ka project kajing thlu kalong ba I hap ban kentu yakini kinong rap jungi ba kinom penon kam yakini kidawai. Kamar bun sen habang ikrans pun kidawai, kidan bun jai kidawai ba ai ya kajing kon jingkya kidawai badai ya kinyang jingpang bar kidawai badai nam ta kinjot te hakani ka por na kwa ban pentip ipi ba kidan bun jai kijing kebangi kum kinong rap ngishan mo te abai kran menemo sepang uru hadam ki nongrap jongi hakapor bagi thung uru hadam ki thung lan ne kim thung lan ki da bo jing thau ne kim bo jing thau ngatrai piat te ba la da pitung kuba ro pi pet mo hakapor pila dap sara pi hap ban le thung yo kuba ban dap sara pitung pi ailan ne pi mailan mene nomor kinoin kai ni kini start aba ki kran kiong ba yo piat lo ndap la dap sara piap ai kata ka jingai la ne ka jing yar mo thung lan na wei jing thung kan no hap ai te la da pile kum ta kamut ba piyo ki jaka ban pen khoi yakini ki ja nyut mo nomor yudan bun jai ki nyut ba ki mi ha ki tu jaka thung jong la da phim pen khoi to perkhat ma pi kan nun mi tu so nang tu dei ne lada ki breo ma ki shong ha ko ga shuki so bang man shong yue ne ar ngot la ne san ngot marwai so knat dan shong marwai dei da shong kali shong marwai ne shong ar ngot ne shong lai ngot so bang man shong marwai dei ne te ha jur kam ma bau jing thu ku kwa ban khlan udan kam me la jing bang lada bon ki nyot ki nyer lada phim pen khoi kamot ba pi ailat ik tu ki nyot ki nyer ba kin he kin san but kin compete kai kin yale ban yo el tu ba ju jing ban bau jing thung jong piu de ban yo na kata ka daw don kam ban pen khoi ba te ha kani si ki don ki jing ai bangila ai na college jongi te kalong ba ya kani ka baki khot bio fertilizer balingi ai kini ka bio fertilizer kalong ba un he un san un jing thung jong pi mo kidon ki thingit jing em hakini ki hak khndo kaba ila sei na khndo but hapo college jongi ngipin mi yakini ki bio fertilizer
Meghalaya Post.news